Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Best Cosmetics. In this channel I gives reviews about skincare and haircare products. So today I will discuss more on Moroccan Argan Essential Oil Turmeric Super Whitening Oil. But before I start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Moroccan Argan Essential Oil has different varieties, but today I will talk about the turmeric oil. How to use, the benefits, side effects, also how to know the fake and original. Pure Turmeric Super Whitening Oil is rich in vitamins and vegetables oils, which is very good for the skin, and has moisturizing, exfoliating, sunscreen and other effects. Turmeric oil is rich in unsaturated fatty acids and vitamins. Its active ingredients can deeply nourish the skin and strengthen the skin's moisturizing properties. It can help produce more skin collagen, soften the skin, soothing the skin, preventing and reduce the appearance of pigmentation. Hot to use. After cleansing the skin, apply proper amount onto the palm of your hand and apply it to the face, neck, back, hands and feet for a soothing massage until the skin is absorbed. It for external use only. It cannot be taken orally. Do not use on a sensitive skin. Benefits. 1. It is super whitening oil. 2. It help to clears dark spots. 3. It an anti-wrinkles oil. 4. It clears knuckles. 5. It help to prevent black spots on the skin. 6. It clears dark armpits. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video.